This video explains how to use the electric fan oven at the Laurels. So for this, please ensure that the oven is turned on. This is on this switch here. You then find there are settings where you control the temperature on the left hand side. So you can just turn this and this will go up to 250 degrees. And then on the right hand side you have a dial where you can turn on the light as seen here, or you can turn on the grill or the fan oven. And for the fan oven, what you'll find here is that when you turn this on, the red light will come on. This means that it's heating. And when this light goes out, this is when the oven is at temperature. When you're finished, please turn off all the dials to the 12 o'clock position and ensure that you protect yourself by using the oven gloves provided so that you don't burn yourself. And that's how to use the electric oven. Thank you.